Introducing the cold press juicer, a powerhouse in the world of slow juicing. Perfect for anyone looking to make healthier, fresher juices at home. This 400-watt juicer is packed with features designed to make juicing easy, efficient, and safe. First up, let's talk about the impressive 5.4-inch feed chute. No more cutting up your fruits and vegetables into tiny pieces. This wide chute allows you to pop in whole produce, saving you time and reducing prep work. Plus, it's a safer option, especially if you have kids helping in the kitchen. The powerful 400-watt motor is a game changer. It ensures a 99% higher juice yield compared to standard juicers. This means you get more juice with less waste. The slow juicing process is key here, as it minimizes clogging and sediment, keeping your juice clean and nutrient-rich. You'll love how smooth and fresh your juice tastes, retaining all those vital nutrients we often miss out on. One of the standout features is the masticating technology, with its 7-stage spiral auger. This design reduces clogging and entangling, efficiently extracting up to 30% more juice. The double-layer filters further enhance this by deeply separating slag from juice, reducing sediment and oxidation. This ensures your juice not only tastes better, but is also packed with more nutrition. And there you have it. The cold press juicer uses advanced slow cold press technology, ensuring your juice is fresh, nutritious, and delicious every time. It's less frothy and more oxidized, making it perfect for your health needs. Upgrade your kitchen today with the cold press juicer and experience the difference in every sip. Grab yours now and start juicing your way to a healthier lifestyle.